Legit ways to make money online using your mobile phone. Some side hustles don't require you to leave the house, or if they do, it might just be a short walk around the block with a friend. Working from home requires a little creativity and a stick to it spirit. Here are some excellent ideas for side gigs from home. Become a dog walker with Rover or Wag. Love dogs? Choose dog walking as a beginner's way to make money. Apps like Wag and Rover offer on-demand dog walking so you can pick up walks when your schedule allows. If you have space and your landlord's permission if you rent, you could offer overnight dog boarding. Total time building a client base may take some time. Setup can take few weeks to be approved. How easy to start? Love pets, you're good to go. Age threshold 18 plus. How fast you get paid? 2 days to a week. Things you need to know. It takes about 10 to 20 business business days for your Rover profile to be reviewed and approved. The application process for work takes 2 weeks and you must pass a background check and pet care quiz. Requirements for Rover or WAG, you need to live in an area where the service operates. If you want to pet sit, you need an apartment or house that allows pets. You have to pass a background check. Second one, sell unused gift cards. Make extra money by selling unused or partially used gift cards on sites like Card Cash or Gift Cash. These websites say they will pay you up to 92% of the card's value. On Card Cash, you can also trade in your card for one you use. Read more about what to do with unwanted gift cards. Total time in minutes if your gift card is for a popular store. Setup easy to set up. How to start? The more gift cards you have to sell, the better. Age threshold, old enough to have a credit card. How fast you get paid, at least 1 to 2 days. Things you need to know, you can get an instant offer or quote via sites like Card Cash or Gift Cash. You can sell gift cards at kiosks and participating retail locations to get cash the same day or try to sell it online. The latter takes longer. You may get a better offer for your gift card. Requirements: your gift card may need to meet minimum balance to be resold. Not all cards will generate offers. Gift cards with expiration dates aren't eligible. List your spare room on Airbnb. Renting out your home or space bedroom on vacation rental sites is another way to make extra money. Be prepared to spend some money to clean and keep up the property, replace home goods, and pay towards service fees. And scrutinize your rental agreement before you get started. Total time demand drives success, and that depends on your location. Setup: a listing can be created and live in hours. How easy to start? If you have a place to rent, it's a simple process. Age threshold 18 plus. How fast you get paid? About 1 day. Things you need to know: you can create a listing and start accepting reservations on the same day. Payment is typically disbursed about 24 hours after your guest scheduled check-in time, but processing time for that payment depends on the payment method. Requirements: comply with any rules governing short-term or vacation rentals in your property, including city ordinances and rules issued by your condo board, or homeowners association. Sell your gently used clothes. Selling clothes you no longer wear is a quick way to make some money. Start with local consignment shops to make money quicker, or use sites like ThreadUp and Poshmark to find buyers. If you go the online route, be sure to take clear, well-lit photos of your pieces and research similar items to set competitive prices. Get tips on how to sell your clothing. Total time varies by sales channel. Setup fast and easy. You can simply go to a consignment shop or fill a box with clothes and send it in. How easy to start? Very easy. Cleaning out the closet may be the hardest part. Age threshold, any how fast you get paid varies by sales channel. Things you need to know: you can sell used clothing and accessories several ways, but they are all pretty quick to start. Fast, a brick and mortar consignment store like Plato's Closet will give you cash on the spot. Medium, other in-person and online consignment shop pays you when your items sell or when they receive and inspect your items. Either way, allow at least a month for your payout. Requirements: gently worn clothes, shoes, and accessories. Items will go through various inspections before being accepted. For example, TradeDog check items for piling, fading, shrinkage, missing parts like buttons and stain. Trade in old phones, electronics for cash. Have an old phone, iPad, laptop, or gaming system lying around. Sell it on sites like Swapper or Gazelle. Check out Amazon's trading program, which pays participants in Amazon gift cards and eBay too. If you're in a rush, try an Echo ATM kiosk, which offers cash on the spot for your device. Total time, lots of options, so your time will vary. Setup: a breeze. How easy to start? Easy, especially if your phone is in good shape. Age threshold: how fast you get paid varies by where you sell. Things you need to know: selling directly on Swapper, Offer Up, Facebook Marketplace. In most cases, you take photos of the phone, verify the electronic serial number is clean, and post your listing. Some sites review and approve postings, but the time is minimal. Fees vary. Swapper, for example, charges a 3% seller fee. Selling to reseller Gazelle: answer a few questions online for an instant quote, then send in your device and get paid once the company confirms its condition is as described. Selling directly: when you get paid depends on how quickly your phone or device sells. Once the item sells, payment is fast. Requirements: a used phone, laptop, or gaming system. Cell phones: you need to verify the phone is not stolen or under a repayment plan. Get a babysitting gig. Everyone from college students to recent retirees can make money by watching other people's children. Word of mouth referrals from friends and family are still a great way to get started, but you can also create a profile for free on care.com, City to expand your reach. Note any specialized skills such as CPR certifications to make yourself more marketable. Total time online. Setup takes minutes. Neighborhood referrals may take a while. Setup just minutes. How easy to start? Getting the word out is the main thing. Age threshold: very young if you're using referrals. 18 plus online. How fast you get paid: when the parents come home. Need to know: you can create a profile on care.com or City in a matter of minutes. Typically get paid when you complete your gig. Requirements: you usually need to be at least 18 years to list as a caregiver on care.com and City. You must complete a background check. Rent out your car. City dwellers don't use their cars for days or weeks at a time. That ideal time can translate to extra money with services like Get Around and Turo, which lets you rent out your car by the hour or day. You take home the majority of those earnings, while Get Around or Turo takes a cut for protecting your car while it's being rented. Total time demand for your car will depend on the local market. Setup: it takes about half an hour to set up an account. How easy to start? With an appropriate vehicle, it's easy. Age threshold: a valid driver's license and 21 plus. How fast you get paid varies by site. Things you need to know: you can create a listing on Turo or Get Around in under 30 minutes. Turo initiates payment within 3 hours of the end of the rental, but you can expect it to take a few days for your bank to process the deposit. Get Around rental earnings occur monthly and are paid out on the 15th of the following month. Payments are made via check or PayPal. Requirements: you must own your car. If you lease out your car, check the terms of your agreement and financing documents to make sure you're allowed to share it. Your car must meet certain requirements and satisfy maintenance and safety standards. You should have a current valid driver's license. You must meet the site age requirement, which is commonly 21 years old. Drive for Uber or Lyft. Join Uber or Lyft or both and make money by driving passengers around. Don't forget to factor in gas and maintenance costs. You need an eligible car in good condition and must agree to a background check and a review of your driving history. Learn how to become an Uber driver or how to earn with Lyft. Total time depends on your market demand. Setup: a few weeks. How easy to start? Not difficult, but you need the right type of vehicle. Age threshold: licensed to drive in your locality with 1 year of licensed driving experience, or 3 years if you're under age 25. How fast you get paid? Very fast, either instantly or within this. Things you need to know: some time for the allow some time for the application process, background check and car inspection. Lyft and Uber can pay you instantly through a debit card or transfer earnings to your bank account pretty quickly. Requirements: a car with 4 doors. It must also meet other requirements such as year, physical condition. Let your car insurance company know of your plans before you start driving. We've come to the end of today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, thank you for staying with us.